Hi, welcome to another Polymer Jam. I've sort of been quiet for a little while. I've just been working on bits and bobs, trying to make things work. Okay, so I'm just working on this. I'm going to have to crop this video. Hey, welcome to another Polymer Jam. This is what I'm working on at the moment, is this map, which saves your location, but hopefully to a nicer degree than normal. So if you're well zoomed in on a map, for example, and then I put this on Alexandra Road here. Then when it saves that location in the firebase backend here, I want to save it as a nice long hash to make sure it gets the right, and it's moving with this granularity. But if I zoom out and I just say I want to be Penzance, then I might want this much granularity and appropriately save the correct amount in the, so then I don't need so many bits of the geoHash to make my location known. Now, if I zoom further, now I just say, this side of West Penwith. Now I'm only needing to store 5 characters, and say somewhere near Newquay, then I only need to store, I'm still storing 5, so I've still got the same level of granularity at 5, but let's zoom out a little bit more. And oops, now we've got 4, and it's obviously a larger, like big chunky move. Hard to get it actually on Penzance now, but that's what I'm after. I'm after as you're zoomed out more, it stores less details. Like now you could say London, but you're just saying London to within 4 character places of a geohash. And then if you were to say Europe, only 2 characters. And I left it at 2 because even if you're zoomed out on a map, you might well want to say like something up here and have that save. As so, you can see. But this becomes an issue because when you're saving an image, for example, here's my image saver. It comes up with lots of information. It has your longitude and latitude and what make and model of your phone, and a unique identifier for the image and stuff that could be traced back to your particular camera. So this uploader strips that information, rotates the image, not always correctly. A little bug to fix there. And then uploads the resized smaller version without the exit data, but the geolocation data is obviously available client side. So client side, I've allowed that to be passed on to the map, so I can say at image, and then it places it at where I took the image. Now I can zoom in, put it back to the, obviously I didn't take the image in the middle of the ocean. So I'm there at image. Somehow doesn't seem to be working. Anyway, it was working earlier. I'll find out what's happening with that. So if I say my current location, at the moment I'm in Morab Library in Penzance. So now I've said my current location. At this scale, it's saying that you're basically in Penzance. As zoom in, there's Moab Road, which is quite close, and ask it to get my current location. Oh, at the image. Maybe, yeah, so current location, near Moab Road. Image location, the image was obviously taken at the leisure centre, which actually was, because that's a timetable of jiu-jitsu. So it's not, and again, so this is storing 1, 2, 3, 4, so 9 places. And if we were to look at the 9 places is pretty good. You can see it's within a building, sort of building scale. You can go smaller, but I really don't see the need, so I think I stopped at 9. Yeah, so when you set your location as being here, and you might zoom out and you go set your location, or say at image, you can see that moves. You might not know that that's actually getting a lot more details than you need. And this way, if you're zoomed out, it doesn't save as much detail as if you're zoomed in. Very simple. And obviously, it allows you to use the EXIF data, but you don't have to submit that, which I think is nice. And this sort of says, you still say roughly where you want to go without actually giving away your exact position, unless you really mean to. Like my favourite beach is about there, and I'll give that to you. Oh, there it is. One of the best beaches in the world. That one. So now you know. Cool. All right. And obviously this is all written in Polymer 1. I haven't got around to upgrading to Polymer 2 yet, but I will one day. And hopefully it won't be so painful. Obviously I've got a lot of legacy in Polymer 1 and it's working really well, as you can see. But could always work better, I suppose. Leisure centre, current location. Although that's quite far off. I'm actually in the gardens, in the library. But that's not too bad. That's probably the last place I had internet access on my phone or something. Okay, that's all for Polymer Jam today, and hopefully I'll see you another time, or you'll see me. Feel free to comment and do your things. I'd love some feedback, and speak to you soon. Minus